Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. Let's not even talk about how long I've been gone, but sweetie, I'm back, I'm better, things are about to be so much better, life is better, so everything's just gonna be better. So I started school like a couple of days ago, but anyway, as you can tell by the title, today we will be unboxing my Canon G7X Mark II camera. So this camera like took over YouTube and vloggers and YouTubers like last year, I think. Sorry for the background noise, I live in New York and the window's open and it's hot, but it's not hot enough to put on the AC, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, the huge box is over there. I'll leave the link down below to where I got it from. I bought it on Amazon. I didn't buy it from Best Buy or anything. I bought it from Amazon. There was like a whole little bundle and I got a whole bunch of stuff with it. I got an extra battery, an extra memory card, a tripod, all of that. So sorry if I'm very handsy in this video. I have some schlong nails. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so this is the, whoa, okay. So this is the box that it comes in. I'm gonna just use my nail. Dang, it's thick. Alright, here we go. The box is open. Let's see what's inside. So the first thing I see are a whole bunch of these things. So they just have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm not reading because I don't want to read anything unless it's school related. So this is what you get inside the box. Feel me? There's the camera. Alright, so I'm gonna save the camera for last. So skip, I'm gonna tell y'all where to skip to where I take the actual camera out. So first, we're gonna talk about this tripod. So it's 57-inch tripod. 18-inch is how it is when it's all folded up together. You expand it 57 inches, 5.5 pounds. This is not 5 pounds. They lying. Anyway, it's a lit ton-up tripod. I'm not really gonna open it because that'll just take forever. But you guys will see the tripod, you know, in my videos and stuff like that in the future. Next we got, I don't even know what this is. You know the thing you put in your baby's nose? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Alright, so here we have the HDMI cable, so I can just like connect it to my TV and stream videos. I'm guessing that's what it's for because I know that's what HDMI means. So yeah. Oh, here is the SD card. How many gigabytes? 64 gigabytes SD card. So thank you for that. So this is a battery. I don't know if this is the only battery they sent, but I don't know. This is the rechargeable battery. So you can charge it when it dies. This will be my vlogging tripod. But yeah, it feels so nice and it's not heavy and stuff like that. Really nice, lovely. I'll take it out of the packaging for y'all so y'all can see just real quick. I'm just trying to like hurry up, get through this so that I can get to the camera. So this is it. Let's open her up. All right. She's nice. She's lovely. So I got a pen. Thank you. Oh my God, it's a pen. Let me open it and make sure it's just a regular pen and it's not like a camera pen or something. I knew it was something. I don't even know what this is, but I think this is the thing to clean the thing. Alright, whatever. I don't even know what this stuff is. So this is a digital reader and writer. Reads and writes information to and from secure digital and micro secure digital cards. I don't know what that means. But then we have a little case. I'm guessing this little case is for this. Or my SD cards and stuff, I don't know. And then we have a little thingamajiggy here that you can use to clean your screens on the camera. And then here we have a big a big camera case. I guess I'll open this for y'all. So in the back we have like a little thing. I don't know what you would put back there. I wouldn't really put anything back there because it seems like it can slip out. Then we have a little pouch on the side. We got another little pouch on the side. And let's open it. Let's open it, Let's open it. Ooh, they gave me some fancy paper. They didn't even give me that low class. They gave me paper with a pattern on it. Alright. So in here we have the little strap. It doesn't seem too long. I don't like when the strap is too long for me. And then we have this is what it looks like on the inside. There's like a little divider in there. Can it move? Yes it can, but am I gonna move it? No. So I'm guessing this is the pouch where you would put your camera, and this is where you would put like other stuff, because the camera is not that big. So let's just put everything back. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Yeah, I see it says getting started. In addition to this guide and a more detailed electronic manual is available for download from the Canon website. I'm gonna go on the Canon website. So we got a little thick journal that I'm not gonna read. So here is a wire. I have no idea what this is. It's so crazy because I watched so many unboxing videos of this camera and I don't know what this is. Guessing this is a charger, this is another charger, like a backup charger. The actual charger thing is right here. I'm trying to get it out, but it looks like this is exactly how my old camera charger used to look. But my old camera charger was gray. It was not black. And this is the battery. The battery is really simple. That's the battery. And you just stick it in there, plug it in the wall. Oh, that's why. Now I know what this is for. You take this, you stick, not this one. This one, you take that part, stick it in there, and you plug it in the wall. That's so extra. Alright, so here's the actual camera. She's here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the battery in. We're gonna see if there's any charge. There we go. Got it. Let me get the memory card so I can start recording so you guys can see the quality. Alright, so the memory card is in. I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna press record. Oh, it's recording. Okay, so hey guys, this is me from the camera. I'm gonna do like a side-by-side comparison. This camera lighting is bomb, sis. Let me get up. Ooh. 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 Girl. Yo. I'm gonna play around with the settings a little bit. I gotta say, this camera is heavy. But I'm gonna play around with the settings and stuff. I'm gonna watch some videos on YouTube and like figure it out. You see, I was like blurred in the back. That's what I liked about it the most when I was doing my research. But what lace? What lace? I don't know what lace. What lace are you talking about? So I'm gonna do. Let me get my phone. I've been recording for 22 minutes, so we're just gonna stop. So I'm gonna put both of them in the same spot and we're gonna do a little comparison. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put you there. Ooh, you guys are seeing my fit. You're not supposed to see my fit because it's not a fit, it's just a shirt. Anyway, so I'm just hold it there and then put my phone right next to it. So this is the side-by-side. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but it's the same lighting. So this is the difference between my phone and the camera. Yeah, we're gonna see more of a difference when I keep recording it. I feel like I'm covering the mic. Let me move my hand and let me hold it like this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This camera's about to die, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that stuff, and I'll see y'all in my next video. I just said that. All right, bye.